Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to change display language in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. To change the language in Microsoft Word, follow these steps. 1. Open a Word document and click on the File tab. 2. In the left pane, click on Options. 3. In the Options window, select Language from the left pane. 4. On the Choose Editing Languages, you can select the language you want to use for the display and help menus. You can also add additional language by clicking on Add Language. 5. Under Choose Profile Language, you can select the language you want to use for spelling and grammar checking. 6. Once you have made your selections, click OK. And 7. If you restart Word, the new language setting will be applied. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.